Hello everyone, welcome once again. Today we are going to study a new chapter, that is electric current and its effect. So first of all, let us know what is electric current. Electric current is flow of electrons through a conductor. The light that is glowing in your rooms is because of electric currents. Whatever the electronic gadgets or appliances that you are using, that is working because of electric current. So it is convenient to represent electric components by the symbol. Using these, an electric circuit can be represented by a circuit diagram. We used to symbolize the different components of electric conductors so that we can make a circuit diagram from it. When an electric current flows through a wire, the wire gets heated. Once the electric current flows starting through the wire will be heated up, and it is the heating effect of current. The heating effect of electric current causes the heat of that object. For example, you are ironing your clothes. You can iron your cloth because of heating effects of electric current. Electric heaters that you are using at your homes, they are working because of heating effect of electric currents, and other heating objects, that is because of heating effect of electric currents. Now, wires are made from some special material, melt quickly and break when large electric currents are passed. If a specific amount of electric current crosses the limits, then the wires that we are using at home automatically melts and it breaks. These materials are used for making electrical fuses. Electric fuses, if the electric current will cross the limit of that specific voltage, then electric fuse will just stop working, which prevents fires and damage to electrical appliances. It prevents our electrical appliances from the damages. When an electric current flows through a wire, it behaves like a magnet. Once the current started flowing through a wire, it starts to behave like a magnet, and we can say it works as a electromagnet. Now let's talk about electric circuit, a complete pathway of the flow of electric current. Electric circuit is complete pathway of flow of electric current. If electric current is flowing through from the starting to the end point, then we can say it is complete circuit or electric circuit. The component of electric circuits are cell. It provides energy to the current to flow. Bulb lights up when an electric current flows through it. Switch keeps the circuit off or on. Connecting wires help to conduct the electric currents and complete the circuit. So these all are the requirements of electric circuits. The different components are cell. It provides energy to the current to flow. Bulb, it will glow if the current flows through it. Switch is used. Switches you can see the switches at your homes. You used to switch it on and off for the different operations of your electrical appliances. And connecting wires, it helps to conduct the electric currents and complete the circuit. Once the connecting wire completes the circuit, only then electrical appliance will work. Now, effects of electric current. What are the different effects? One effect we have talked about was heating effect. First one is here, heating effect. The wire gets hot when an electric current passes through it. This is the heating effect of electric current. Electric heaters contains a coil of wire called element, which becomes red hot when current passes through it. The amount of heat produced in a wire depends on its material length and thickness. So this is what we talked about. The different electrical appliances, heating appliances that we are using at home, like electrical heaters and iron, these all works on the heating effects of electric current. Another one is fuse. It is a safety device which prevents damage to electric circuits. We have talked about this. If the voltage crosses its limit of specific current, then the fuse will just burst out to prevent the damage to electric appliances. It is made by inserting a short wire into porcelain or insulating material. A soft wire is being inserted into porcelain so that whenever the voltage crosses the limits, it will just cut the connection. One more is MCB. It stands for miniature circuit breakers. These are switches which automatically turn off when the current in a circuit exceeds the safe limit. Whenever the current in a circuit exceeds its safe limit, these MCBs gets automatically turn off so that the electrical supply will disconnect to the specific place. Next one is magnetic effect. Heating effect we have talked about. Now we will talk about magnetic effect. Whenever the electric current passes through a wires, it behaves like a magnet because around the wire there will be some electric magnetic effect. This is the magnetic effect of the electric current. This was first observed by Hans Christian Ørsted. Hans Christian Ørsted was a scientist who has first observed the magnetic effect of electric current. A current carrying coil of an insulated wire wrapped around a piece of iron is called electromagnet. Electromagnet is basically only a coil which is insulated wire wrapped around it and a piece of iron. It is called electromagnet. Now, an electromagnet is a coil of wire wound on a soft iron core. One iron core is taken and around this electric wires are wound like this, and it is used to separate magnetic material from the junk. Doctor use tiny electromagnets to take out small pieces of magnetic materials that have accidentally fallen in the eye. Many toys also have electromagnets inside them. Electromagnets are basically those devices in which iron is wound with different wires, so that whenever it is generally used by doctors to take out the small pieces of magnetic material that have accidentally fallen in our eye. So whenever these kind of accidents take place, the doctor uses this electromagnet to get rid of the material. Many toys, we can see different toys which has magnet in it. So electromagnet is a coil of wire which has soft iron core, and it is used for the magnetic effects of electric current. So in this chapter we have talked about, one is electric effect, heating effects of electric current, and another one is, first one is heating effect and another one is magnetic effect. So the electricity cause both heating effect, due to which we are able to use the different appliances that we are using at our home. For example, heaters and irons, and magnets, electromagnets. We can use electromagnet. We can take example of electromagnets that we are using in our homes are electric bells, call bells that we use at our home. It is working on the basis of electromagnet. The bell rings because of electromagnet, and whenever we just leave that switch, the bell ringing will stop because the circuit or the path just got disturbed because of the switch. So these both are the heating effect of electric current and magnetic effects of electric current. That's all about the chapter. I hope you liked the video. For more details, stay connected to my channel. Thank you and have a good day to all of you.